Palak, and today I am going to show you guys how to create this makeup look along with the tiara and hijab tutorial. It's been the longest since I've worn makeup, so I wanted to create this very smoky eye look along with the tiara, and yes, I turned out like this, and I hope you like this video. Now let's get started. That's me with a bare face. So I'm gonna take Iba Halal Photo Perfecting Primer and apply it all over my face. It makes the skin super smooth. So I'm gonna take Kryolan Supra Color Foundation, and I found it through a makeup artist, and from that time I have never gone to any other foundation. It is so good. It makes the skin so glowy, and also this shade is exactly my shade. It is not any shade lighter or darker, just exactly my shade, and that's how I like it to be. It just makes the skin look so flawless. I'm using the Beauty Blender by Sigma. It is so fluffy and it blends the foundation so well. And yeah, applying makeup after so long is so therapeutic. It feels so good. Now I'm gonna take Iba's compact powder and put it under my eye area so that the foundation doesn't crease. And now I'm going to use Precisely My Brow Pencil by Benefit Cosmetics, and this is truly a game changer. It makes the eyebrows look naturally filled and beautiful. I actually love bold brows and they look so good on my face. Now I'm going to take Huda Beauty's Desert Dusk palette along with the Sigma blending brush, and I'm gonna take a lighter shade and put it in the crease of my eyes. And now we're starting to do the eye makeup, so always start with the crease. And now I'm taking a little darker shade and putting it on the corners of my eyes. It gives depth to the eyes and makes the eye look so flawless. I'm also putting it on the lower portion of the eye to make it look balanced. Now I'm going to take Nykaa's I Am Bold Kajal and put it on my eyes. Yes, we are creating a smoky eye look, and this gives a very good base to the smoky eye, and it also stays on for a longer period of time. I'm going to take Sigma's eye shader brush and try to blend the kajal as much as possible. It gives a softer look to the eyes and also creates a beautiful base. Now I'm going to take Urban Decay's Naked 3 palette and put the darkest shade on my eyes. It is so beautiful and it creates a beautiful smoky eye look. Just make sure to blend it well. I'm blending it with the brush provided in the palette itself, and it blends out beautifully. And I'm also making sure to put it down my eyes. And now I'm applying kajal in my eyes because it balances out everything. I'm going to apply Falsies by SK Makeup and Beauty, and they look so gorgeous. Now I'm going to take My Glam Chisel It palette, and using the contour shade from the kit, I'm going to contour my cheeks and also make sure that everything looks nice and blended. And I'm going to put it under my chin area. And now using the Sigma brush, I am going to contour my nose. It makes the nose look slimmer and sharper. Now I'm going to use Bella Voste Matte Finish Lipstick in the shade Red Bomber. And first I'm going to apply it on my cheeks because I make sure that my lipstick and my cheek blush matches. And I'm going to blend it well, and it looks so beautiful as a blush. And now I'm going to apply it on my lips. This shade is so gorgeous, and lipstick just makes everything so put together. Now I'm going to take MAC highlighter. It is so gorgeous, and I'm going to apply it on the high points of my face. It makes the skin feel as if it's glowing from within. And that's it. We're done with the makeup. Now I'm going to tell you how to put the tiara. Make sure to fix the middle portion first. Seep the safety pin through the hole of the tiara and pin it down to your scarf, and make sure that it falls down beautifully. You can also adjust the shape of the tiara at this point. Take the other side and pin it down as well. Make sure that both sides are equal. And now wrap the scarf around your head, hide all those pins because you don't want the pins to be showing. And yes, at this point, I am draping the scarf how I like it to be. It looks as if you've wrapped the scarf multiple times. And now pin it securely with a hijab pin. And now take the other side, adjust the length according to the coverage you want, and put it on your head, and it hides all the stuff, the secret stuff that were done under this scarf. And make sure to pin it down securely, and it's done. We're done, guys. I loved how this look turned out. It is so good. The smoky eye along with the black scarf and the golden touch of jewelry looks so nice. And that's it for the video, guys. I hope you like this video. We all know that this Eid is different from all other years, but the blessings are as much. And I pray that all your du'as and ibadat is accepted. And may Allah make you successful in this dunya and akhirah. If you like this video, give it a big thumbs up and do subscribe to my YouTube channel. And please don't forget to follow me on Facebook and Instagram. This is me, Ramsha Sultan, signing off.